Recently, LinkedIn added the possibility to introduce yourself with a 30-second video on your profile. They called this a cover story. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cover story to your LinkedIn profile. Now, the first thing you need to be aware of is that you can only do this from your mobile phone within the LinkedIn app. I tried finding a way to do it on the desktop. Not possible. So here's how to add a cover story to your LinkedIn profile. First of all, open up the LinkedIn app on your phone and just tap on your profile. Click view profile. As you can see, we're now taken to my profile. And what I'm going to do is tap on the little plus icon next to my profile picture. And as you can see, we've got the option to add a cover story. So I'm just going to tap on add cover story. And now a camera is opened up. So what I can do is just hold it up and film myself and introduce myself to my LinkedIn network. We can also tap on the little image icon and upload a video straight from our device, but we'll get to that later. So as you can see, if I just tap on this right here, we get a countdown and I talk. Hey LinkedIn, my name's Alec and I'm the video team lead here at VEED.io. I'm interested in connecting with video creators, content creators, YouTubers, video editors. So yeah, let's have a chat, let's connect. There you go, that's just a quick introduction video. And now, as you can see, we have a few different options. First of all, I can choose who can view it. I can choose all LinkedIn members to be able to view it, or I can choose first degree connections only, which is LinkedIn members that are connected directly to me. So for this video, I want all LinkedIn members to be able to see it. And then at the top here, we have a few options. First of all, we have a little text option. This allows me to add text. So I could say, hello, video content creators. And then I can just place that wherever I want. And I'm just going to place it right down here. And then up here, we have the option to add some stickers. I can even mention someone. However, I'm not going to do that. And then at here, we can also rotate and resize our text. So I can actually resize and then rotate just like so. There we go, just hit done. Now I've finished my LinkedIn cover story and then I just hit the next arrow. And as you can see, I can just adjust the preview. I can choose to zoom in or out. I'm just gonna leave it at this and then add to profile. And just like that, I have now added a cover story to my LinkedIn. And at the top, it says it's gonna take a few moments to appear. And then once it's done, I should be able to just tap on my profile. If I click view. Hey LinkedIn, my name's Alec and I'm the video team lead here at VEED.io. I'm interested in connecting with video creators, content creators, YouTubers, video editors. So yeah, let's have a chat, let's connect. There you go. That is my LinkedIn cover story. And now, like I mentioned earlier, you can also create a video outside of LinkedIn. So you could edit it with VEED.io to have a little bit of more creative freedom. And then if you just click on edit cover story again, here you can click on add. And if we replace it at the bottom, we can then click on the image icon that we saw earlier. If we click on this image icon, we can actually select the video straight from our camera roll, but I'm just going to cancel because I don't want to do that. That is how to create a LinkedIn cover story. Thanks for watching.